Hey guys, and welcome back to no longer Mother's Barbecue. It's Get Out and Grill. New year, new channel name. We're gonna be still cranking all recipes out on the grill. So let's get out and grill. So I'm still getting some shirts made up. I'm looking into getting those made up. Got the logo all changed up. I'm still working on some new artwork for the back. So for our first recipe of the year, we're going to be doing some pork belly with a soy caramel sauce. So let's get grilling. So we're going to be cooking our pork belly on the pit barrel cooker, and just in time, I got these awesome pit barrel cooker knives. They're Damascus blade, nice wood handle. These things, they feel good, they're light, and they're sharp as heck. Also comes with a nice fork, which, thank you Noah, I've been needing one of these. So let's get the pork belly ready. All right, so here's our pork belly. Still has the skin on. We're gonna want the skin on because we're gonna do something special after they smoke. Nice strips here. This is actually how I bought it. The butcher was selling it the way it was, like this. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and just cut some nice score marks on the skin. Try not to get down to the meat. I'm gonna go ahead and rub it with a little Asian rub. This is just off the shelf in the grocery store. You can hit it with whatever you want. I just got a little bit of this stuff left, so I thought I'd use it up. We'll go ahead and get our pit barrel hooks. Get it right in there. All right, let's get these on the pit barrel. All right, we got our pit barrel heated up. I got some Kingsford cherry wood, believe it or not. It's a limited edition, it just came out. Thought we'd give that a try. I also got some applewood chunks in there. I'm gonna go ahead and hit this, and I know it's hard to see on the camera, but I just thought of this. I'm gonna hit the skin side with a little bit of canola oil spray. That'll help crisp that up a little bit. Get these on there. We're gonna let these go for, I don't know, 4 hours maybe. We'll check on them. I'll see you in a bit. All right, so our pork belly is just about done. It's probably got another half hour. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it. I'm gonna let it cool completely. So I'm just gonna pull it and set it aside. In the meantime, let's make our soy caramel sauce. I'm gonna start out with a little bit of oil. You can use peanut oil, this is vegetable oil, but I'm just gonna get a good, I don't know, tablespoon in there. Get this coated. And I'm gonna add some regular white sugar. It's about 3/4 of a cup of sugar. And basically, we are just gonna turn this into caramel, which honestly I've never done before, but we're gonna give this a try. All right, we got a nice caramel color. Only took about, I don't know, 4 or 5 minutes. To that, I'm gonna add 2 star anise, a stick of cinnamon, and a couple teaspoons of some fennel seed. We're gonna let that sort of toast in the caramel sauce. All right, we gave the cinnamon, the star anise, and that fennel some time to sort of toast inside this sugar caramel sauce. I'm gonna add a little fish sauce. And this is gonna sizzle. Some soy sauce. a little little splash of water. This is smelling awesome. You really get that star anise and that fennel. A little bit of that cinnamon is coming through. Definitely the soy sauce now. All right, we're gonna go ahead and strain this. Go ahead and set this aside, and this will thicken up as it cools, which is what we want. Let's go ahead and check on our pork belly. All right, so here's our pork belly. The skin, you know, has rendered out, you know, somewhat. Got good smoke smell to it. Nice and tender. And what we're gonna do with this part is we're gonna cut these into cubes because we're not done yet. So I'm gonna run this straight down. Cut these in a nice bite-sized burn-end style. All right, I'm gonna let these hang out even more, let them cool off more than what they are. I'm gonna go ahead and get some oil heated up. We're gonna deep fry these puppies. All right, so we've got a whole oil heated up out back. I got the Matador. This is a Rectech Matador propane. Love cooking in this in the backyard when I'm deep frying. Keeps the mess outside. Oil's a little cloudy because I did a test with some of the pork belly with cornstarch and some without, and I think I like it without. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get some of these in here, and these things will pop and spit. So gotta be very careful. And it's a good thing we're doing this outside. All right, it's plating time. So these are gonna be somewhat like an appetizer. So I'm just gonna stack these little cubes of crispy nuggets in a geometrical pattern called a pile. And these are gonna be a mix of the, you know, some of the ones that had cornstarch on them, because actually they're really not that bad. We're gonna take our soy caramel, and we're just gonna drizzle this all over. Make sure each nugget gets one. Hit them with a little toasted sesame seed. Some green onion would be nice on this too as well. Some nice color contrast, but we'll just hit it with sesame seed. And there you have it. A little twist on some pork belly burnt ends with a soy caramel sauce, a little Asian twist to that. Can't wait to bite into these. So there you have it. These things smell incredible. They're sticky, crispy. I really get the fennel. I mean, I get the smoke smell from it, but I really get that fennel is really coming through. Smells awesome. Let's give it a taste. Wow. Smoky, sweet, salty. Again, you get that fennel, that anise. Just great balance, just great overall balance on these. These are pretty cool. These are not a bad idea for like a good appetizer, some finger foods. Supply a lot of napkins though. Maybe a little bit of that sauce as a dip to dip it in, but these are incredible. Well, I hope you like my little twist on an Asian pork belly burnt end with a soy caramel sauce. Remember guys, subscribe, I'll see you guys at the next round. Thanks for watching.